Students, we were discussing about the mental development of a child. So, in that, there were three important theories like cognitive development theory, the second one was the moral development theory, and the third one is spiritual development theory. So, now we will be discussing about the spiritual development theory by Fowler. So, he believes that spiritual beliefs are very close to the ethical and moral portion of the child's self concept. So, both are very related to the spiritual beliefs. So, morality, ethical principles, so these all are very close to the spiritual beliefs. So, Fowler has identified 7 stages in development of faith. Development of faith was divided into 7 stages, and in that 4 stages are in childhood. So in today's class we will be discussing about these 4 stages which is corresponding to the childhood. So the first stage is stage 0. The stage in the പേരാണ് stage 0 primal faith. So the first stage is stage 0. So the period of infancy, that is first 1 year, is in the primal faith. So during this time, child have no concept of right or wrong, no beliefs, no convictions to guide the behavior. So they are not behaving according to some rules, regulations which is given by others. The child has no concept of right or wrong. What they like is good for them. So that is the primal faith, and which is corresponding to the moral development. So here the beginning of a faith are established with the development of basic trust through their relationship with the primary caregiver. So faith towards somebody is starting by establishing a trust with the caregiver. Already in psychosocial development we have seen that during this time, infancy stage, the child will be with the trust versus mistrust stage. So this trust development will be very strong in beginning faith during the next periods. So that is a primal faith. So only trust is developing. There is no convictions, there is no rules, and there is no external force in controlling their behavior. There is no faith for the child also, but it is beginning with the trust development. So that's about the stage 0 primal faith. So the stage 1 is intuitive projective faith. So this for a toddler and preschool period. So in the toddlerhood, what happens is that is a time of imitating the behavior of others. So 1 to 3 years, already we know stage 1 is from 1 to 7 years, that is intuitive projective faith. So 1 to 3 years is a toddlerhood, and 3, that is 4 to 7 years, that is, or 3 to 7 years, that is for the preschooler. So first 1 to 3 years, the child, that is a toddler, will be imitating the behavior of others. Children imitating the religious gestures, behaviors of others without comprehending meaning. So others like parents or the elders or the family members, what all behaviors or gestures they will be showing, these all behaviors they will be just imitating without understanding the meaning of this behavior. So that is the feature of toddlerhood in the intuitive projective faith. So they will be understanding the behavior, they will be projecting that behavior without understanding the meaning. So in the next, so this is what is without understanding the meaning, they just imitate the behavior of others. During preschool age, that is 4 to 7 years, what happens is they follow a religion because it is expected of them. So my parents are Christian or Hindu or a Muslim, so I will be following the activities which is performed by my caregiver. So that is my religion, so that they will be following. parents or someone they love influences them to do so. So in order to please the caregiver, they will be doing the behaviors which is expected out of them in that particular religion. So that is the preschool age. So they will be knowing what is their religion, and certain behaviors or stories also they will be knowing regarding that particular religion in preschool age. So this is the stage 1, uh, or we can say that second stage, that is stage 1, intuitive projective faith. Next is stage 2, that is a third stage, stage 2, that is mythical literal faith. That is between 7 to 12 years. School going child will be in the mythical literal faith. So children's belief derive from the perspective of others. So others will be telling like, I passed an exam by praying. So others perspective, depending upon that, the children's beliefs will be there, and that will be derived. They are all able to differentiate their thinking from that of others. So they will be able to differentiate their thinking from that of others, and stories becomes a gateway to learning about the life or religious life. So they will be knowing religious stories and other things, and they will be able to differentiate difference between different religion, like what are the activities in a Muslim religion, what are the activities in a Christian religion and Hindu religion, so that they will be differentiating, and they will be knowing better more stories in their religion and some few stories in others religion. So this is the mythical literal faith. So uh, they will have a faith that depends upon others experience or others perspectives. So that is about the stage 2. So they will have individual prayers also. So they will be praying for their benefits, maybe for passing examination. They will have a content for pray. So they will have some content, personal prayer will be there, and they will have some content that may be for getting mark, or that may be getting gift from the parents, or some content will be there for their prayers. Next is the stage 3, that is a fourth stage of spiritual development. Stage 3, that is synthetic conventional faith, 12 years and more. A person's experience extends beyond the family to peers, teachers, and other members of society. So, here they will be experiencing more than the family or other members. So now they don't want to see others' perspectives. They himself or herself has certain experience of prayer. So he will be having individual prayers, and we don't have to see for others what they are observing or what they are experiencing from their religion. They will have their own viewpoints regarding their prayers. The individual has a cluster of values and beliefs in concert with others. So a cluster of values will be there, and now they start questioning regarding the religious concepts, beliefs, and activities of childhood, and explore various religious affiliations and culture. So now they will be weighing their own experience with others, and they will be trying to question the religious concepts, whether it is right or wrong. There will be weighing their beliefs. So these all more activities will be done by the children during 12 years and more, during the synthetic conventional faith. So they will be developing their own way of prayer, and they will be asking questions regarding their beliefs, others experience, and they will be having their own experience with the prayer and their religion. So that is a stage 3, synthetic conventional faith. So this is about the spiritual development theory by Fowler. Spiritual development theory by Fowler. He has divided into 7 stages in entire life, but the first 4 belongs to the children or childhood. So that we have discussed in today's session. So the first stage is stage 0, primal faith. There is no belief or faith on anybody or any external force. They are trying to develop the faith through establishing the trust on caregiver. The second stage, that is stage 1, that is intuitive projective faith, that is for toddler and preschooler. Toddler will be imitating the behavior without comprehending the meaning. Preschoolers, they will be observing one religion because their caregiver wanted it from them. The next is intuitive projective faith. Next is a mythical literal faith. So here the child will be differentiating their thinking from others. They will be weighing other religions. They will be knowing, and some stories they will be knowing, and they will have certain beliefs based on others' experience or others' perspectives. Next is the synthetic conventional faith, 12 years or more. During this time, they have their own experience on their beliefs and faith, and they will be trying to ask questions regarding these old concepts. So this is about the stage 3. So hope you all understood the theories of development. So thank you very much.